Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have 2-point columns. Begin now by confirming A2 and B2 behold X and Y numbers. First actionable step. In C2 type equals A2, A3 if you compare rows, or equals A2 $2 to measure from a fixed point. Then in D2 mirror that for Y. Equals B2, B3, or equals B2 $B2. Why do this? You need coordinate differences to compute Euclidean distance, and doing it in separate columns keeps formulas clear and debuggable. Once done with dx and die, you calculate squared components. In E2 enter equals C22 and press enter, then fill down. Next, either put equals D22 in an adjacent column or combine equals C22 plus D22. This sum is the squared distance. You're preparing the input for the square root. Make sure to use relative references when copying rows so each row computes its own pair. Also, check for blank cells which convert to 0 and can skew results. Handle blanks with if when needed. Now get the Euclidean distance. In G2 enter equals SQRT, E2 if you used a sum column, or shorthand equals SQRT, C22 plus D22 to combine steps. Copy that formula down and format the column to 2 or 3 decimals for readability. Verify results by spot-checking known pairs or using conditional formatting to highlight negatives or errors. If things go wrong, use Eiferer to show a friendly message and is number to detect non-numeric cells.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.